Hey guys, it's been a hot minute, but welcome back. So, I have been completely obsessed with the cleaning and restocking videos on TikTok, and I just had to. So, I went to the store, picked up everything I needed, plus a little bit more, you know, so the videos could look like the TikTok videos, duh. This had a fridge look before. I threw away basically everything because, they probably was spoiled anyway. But yeah, I completely gutted this fridge out, like every tray, every shelf. And let me tell you something, this was a lot of work. Like a lot of work. I wish I really was moving this fast, but I was doing this. But you would be so surprised how dirty these fridges get. Like, you have to take out these shelves at least once a month, because, buddy, yeah, I can't let it get like this. I can't let it get like this no more. So, now it's time to restock. It's like the most favorite part. So, these containers I got off Amazon. Everything I got off Amazon. And it's just something about just hearing the noises that the stuff make when you're restocking them. Like, it's so soothing. I guess that's the ASMR in it, but it's very soothing. Anyways, let me shut up and let y'all listen. Oh, I don't know which containers is my favorite, if it's the juice containers or the egg containers. But listen, I love these egg containers, boy. Love them. I am extremely happy how this turned out. It's so organized. Everything looks so clean. And let's see if I will keep this up. But thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe. Peace.